Hi, my name is Jasper and welcome back to my channel. We've been doing algebra so far. We've done simplified expressions and expanding brackets. Today we're going to do a little extra topic called FOIL. We write it down, it's an abbreviation, FOIL. They all have different meanings. Before I delve into that, I'm going to say what each of them is. F means first, O means outside, I means inside, and L means last. First is you multiply the terms that are at the very first. Let me show you how. First, this is the example. R plus 5 in brackets, P plus 3. The first is R times P. That's the first one, F. Then O is for outside. You multiply the terms that are outside. This is O. I is for the inside. These two here, 5 and P, those are the ones inside. So you do 5 times P, right? And last you do 5 times 3. You're multiplying the last terms. So let's solve this expression. We're going to do F first, which is R times P. So equal RP. Then we do R times 3. Will equal 3R. You do 5 times P, which will equal 5P. And you do 5 times 3, which equal 15. There we go. We've done our expression. Now let's do one more example to make sure you understand. In brackets 2x plus 1 and in brackets 3x plus 2. I'm going to use that FOIL. We do 2x times 3x will equal 6x squared. Then we do 2x times 2, which equal 4x. We do 1 times 3x, which will equal 3x, and 1 times 2, which will equal 2. We could simplify this expression even more because 4x and 3x, they have the same like terms. So the answer is going to be 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. There we go. We solved this expression. Now, we're going to move on to something else. We're going to solve an equation like this. 3 plus b in brackets squared. This has squared. When we're using FOIL on this, we repeat it twice. 3 plus b in brackets 3 plus b. Then we use our FOIL. 3 times 3, 9, plus 3 times b, which will equal 3b. Then we do b times 3, which will equal 3b, plus b times b, which will equal b squared. You can simplify this expression even more because 3b and 3b, they have the same like terms, which will equal 9 plus 6b plus b squared. Let's do one more example to make sure you understand. Let's say you have an example like this. X minus 2 in brackets squared. We're going to use our method again. since he has squared, we're going to move it in two places. X minus 2 in one bracket and x minus 2 in the other. X times x will equal x squared. Then x times minus 2 will equal minus 2x. Then minus 2 times x will equal minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 2 will equal plus 4. We can still simplify this expression even more because minus 2x and minus 2x, they have the same like terms. So the answer will be x squared minus 4x plus 4. This is the end of today's video, but please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.